Experiment number 10, implementation of adder and subtractor circuit. The first one is off-adder circuit. This is the block diagram of the off-adder circuit. Here A and B are input, sum and carry are output. This is the truth table for the off-adder circuit. For the addition, 0 plus 0, sum is 0 and carry is 0. For the 0 plus 1, sum is 1 and carry is 0. For 1 plus 0, sum is 1 and carry is 0. The inputs are 1, 1, output sum is 0 and carry is 1. Now the next one is K-map for the sum and carry for the off-adder circuit. So first the sum, the K-map will be like this. So it is a 2 input, A and B are input. For the A, 0 and 1. For the B here, 0 and 1. For the 0, 0 input, the sum is 0. For 0, 1 input, the sum is 1. For 1, 0 input, sum is 1. And 1, 1 input, sum is 0. To simplify this one, we have to group it. So here single ones only it is possible to group. If it is group this one, the equations will be like this. For the sum, the equation of the sum is A bar B plus B bar A. This is the equation for the sum. For the next carry, so this is a single one. If I group this one, the carry equation becomes C equal to or C0. That means C out equal to AB. So after simplification of the K-map, sum equal to A bar B plus A bar B plus B bar A. So this is nothing but XOR gate. This is nothing but XOR gate. Now we'll see. So the expression for the sum and carry is AB bar plus A bar B. That is A XOR B. And the carry is C equal to AB. This is the logic diagram of off-adder circuit and basic XOR gates, using them basic XOR gate. Here A and B are 2 input given to the XOR gate. So the XOR gate S equal to A XOR B. This is output will be sum here, and this A and B are connected the input to the AND gate. So the output of the AND gate is AB. So this is your carry out. This is a block diagram or logical diagram of the off-adder circuit. Next one is op subtractor. So this block diagram of op subtractor. Here A and B are 2 input and difference and borrow are output. The truth table for the op subtractor. Input is AB, output is difference and borrow. So 2 input, so 2 to the power 2 equal to 4 combination of the input. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. These are the input combinations. For the subtraction, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 1, difference is 1 and borrow is 1. For 1 minus 0, difference is 1 and borrow is 0. For 1 minus 1, difference is 0 and borrow is 0. That is the truth table of the subtractor circuit, of subtractor circuit. Now, for the simplification, I am going to use the K-map. For the K-map for the difference and borrow of subtractor circuit. So the first one is difference. So when 0 0 input, this is 0 0 0 input, this is not 0 0, this is 0 and this is 1. Similarly, this is also 0 and this is 1. For 0 0 input, the difference is 0, here 0. For the 0 1 input, difference is 1. For 1 0 input, difference is 1. For 1 1 input, difference is 0. So here I have taken only for the logic high. So where the logic high will be there, that place I have placed here. That's it. Next one is for the borrow. For this is also 0 and here 1 and this is also 0 and here 1. For 0 0 combination, the borrow is 0. For 0 1 combination of the input, borrow is 1. For 1 0 input combination, borrow is 0. For 1 1 input combination, the borrow is 0. Next, to simplify this one, we have to group for the ones. So here, after grouping this one, I will be getting the equation is for the difference is a bar b plus a b bar. So it is again XOR gate. So the difference equation is a bar b plus a b bar. So this is equal to a XOR b. The next one is borrow. For the borrow, here only a single one is there. So if the group is single one, the equation is you will get a bar b. A bar b. Next one is logic diagram of subtractor using the basic gates. Here A and B are input. These two input is connected to the XOR gate. The output of the XOR gate is A XOR B. That is A bar B plus A B bar. Now the next one is borrow output. So for borrow, the expression is A bar B. So this is a product term. I need here A bar. So here A is input. So just I am tapping it here. I need for the A bar. So I need to connect for the NOT gate. The output of the NOT gate is here A bar. So this is A bar. This is A bar. And one more input of the AND gate is here. It is tapped from the B point. So this is the input of this, another input of the AND gate is B. So the AND gate is just multiplication. The output of the borrow is here A bar B. So this is the logic diagram for of subtractor. The difference between the off adder and off subtractor is here. Only here borrow is A bar B. So here one NOT gate is used. That's it, the difference in the logic diagram. The next one is full adder. This is the block diagram of the full adder circuit. There are three inputs, A, B, C in is the three input and two output. One is sum, the another one is carry out. So this is the block diagram of full adder circuit. So 2 to the power 3 equal to 8 combinations. That means the inputs are 8 combinations. The inputs are starts from 0, 0, 0 to up to 1, 1, 1 combinations. So totally 8 combinations, because 2 to the power 3 equal to 8. The output is sum and carry out. Now, for the input of 0, 0, 0, the sum is 0 and carry is 0. For the input of 0, 0, 1, sum is 1 and carry is 0. The next, the input of 0, 1, 0, the output is sum is 1 and carry is 0. For the input 0, 1, 1, sum is 0 and carry is 1. The input is 1, 0, 0 combination, sum is 1 and carry is 0. The input of 1, 0, 1 combination, sum is 0 and carry is 1. The input of 1, 1, 0 combination, sum is 0 and carry is 1. Input of 1, 1, 1 combination, sum is 1 and carry is 1. Now, the simplification of the sum. So here I need 2 to the power 3 equal to 8. So 8 cells are required. 8 cells are required. The inputs are here A, B, C, N. So A input here 0 or 1. For the B and C in, the inputs are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. So these are the binary representation. Next, we have to substitute or we have to fill this truth table, right? We have to fill this K-map by using this truth table. For the input of 0, 0, 0 combination, sum is 0. For the input of 0, 0, 0, the sum is 0. Next, the input of 0, 0, 1, sum is 1. So input of 0, 0, 1, sum is 1. Next, the input of 0, 1, 0, sum is 1. The input of 0, 1, 1, sum is 0. The input of 1, 0, 0, sum is 1. The input of 1, 1, 0, sum is 0. The input of 1, 1, 1, sum is 1. To simplify this one, we cannot able to group it as a octet. Here 8 cells are there, so the maximum possibilities is 8 cells grouping. But here all the 8 cells, if one is there, then we can able to group it. So octet is not possible. Then quad, check the quad. Quad is also not possible. Then check the pair. Pair is also not possible. So that we have to group individually. We have to group individually. Once group this one, so here 4 ones will be grouped. Now S equal to, that means sum equal to A B bar C in bar plus A bar B bar C in plus A B C in plus A bar B C in. So from this C in is common, I'll take C in is common. If I'll take C in common, I'll be getting here AB plus A bar B bar plus here C in, and similarly here also C in is there. So I will take C in is common. So A into B bar plus A bar B. So this is like a XOR B XOR C. The output of the sum is A XOR B XOR C. Next one is carry. According to this truth table, just fill this K-map for the carry. For the 0, 0, 0 combination, carry is 0. For the 0, 0, 1 input combination, carry is 0. For 0, 1, 0 input, carry is 0. For 0, 1, 1, carry is 1. For 1, 0, 0 input, carry is 0. For 1, 0, 1 input combination, carry is 1. For 110 input carry is 1, 111 input combination carry is 1. Here I can able to group it like this. This is one pair, and similarly this is also second pair, and this one is third pair. So 3 groups are there here. The simplified equation for the C out is C out equal to AB plus AC in plus BC in. This is the equation for the carry out. The next one is logic diagram of full adder using basic XOR gate. So 2 half adder circuit will be used to form the full adder circuit. This is my first half adder circuit. So A and B are input and output is sum, and here carry. Right? For the full adder circuit, we need one more half adder circuit here. This first half adder circuit sum is connected to the input of the second half adder circuit, and the one more input is Cin is connected to the second half adder circuit. Now the output of the second half adder circuit sum, and here this carry, and similarly this carry. That means the first half adder circuit carry and second half adder circuit carry, both are connected input to the OR gate. Both are connected input to the OR gate. This is the final carry out. So for full adder circuit, sum and carry out. Now we'll see the logic diagram. This is the logic diagram for full adder circuit. So first, this is my first half adder circuit, and this is the second half adder circuit. Both the carry is added here by using the OR gate. So carry out, and this is the sum. So the 7486 is the IC name for the XOR gate, and 7408 is the IC for the AND gate, and 7432 is the OR gate IC. This is the logic diagram for full adder circuit. The next one is full subtractor. This is the block diagram of the full subtractor. Here A, B, B in are 3 input, and D and B out is the 2 output. D is nothing but difference, and B out is borrow. The truth table for the full subtractor. So here 3 input, 2 to the power 3 equal to 8 combination of the input. So input is A, B, B in. The combination of the input starts from 0, 0, 0 to up to 1, 1, 1. The output is difference and borrow. For the input of 0, 0, 0, difference is 0 and borrow is 0. For the input combination of 0, 0, 1, difference is 1, borrow is 1. The input of 0, 1, 0 combination, difference is 1, borrow is 0. The input of 0, 1, 1 combination, difference is 0, borrow is 1. For 1, 0, 0 input, difference is 1, borrow is 0. For 1, 0, 1 input combination, difference is 0, borrow also 0. For 1, 1, 0 combination of the input, difference is 0 and borrow also 0. The last one is 1, 1, 1 combination of the input, difference is 1, borrow is also 1. The next one is to simplify this difference and borrow, draw the Karnaugh map, and using this truth table, fill the ones. Right now, for these A and BC are input for the difference. So these are the values will be entered by using the truth tables. So once we can simplify this one, the answer is for the difference equation is our expression is A or XOR with B, XOR with B in. Similarly for the borrow out, the equation is A bar B plus B in and A XOR B not. So this is, what is that? A XOR B complement. So A XOR B complement is X NOR gate. X NOR gate. This is the equation for the full subtractor. Now the logic diagram for the full subtractor using XOR. So 2 of subtractor will be used. This is my first of subtractor. A and B are input. The output is difference 1 and borrow 1. Second of subtractor circuit, the input is one is from the difference of the 1 and another input is B in. The output of the of subtractor 2 is difference. Here the borrow 2. This borrow 2 and borrow 1 are connected to the OR gate. So this is the logic diagram for full subtractor using XOR gate. Now this is the by using the XOR gates. So here A and B are input to the XOR gate. So here the output will be A XOR B, that will be given input to the next XOR gate. Here one more input of the second XOR gate is B in. The output of the difference is A XOR B XOR B in. The next one is here, the first circuit borrow is connected to the OR gate input. Similarly for the second circuit, borrow out will be connected to the input of the OR gate. This is my total borrow in the given circuit. This is the logic diagram for full subtractor circuit. Now I am going to show the simulation for adder as well as subtractor circuit. In Google, just type it for circuitverse.org. So you will get a pop-up window like this. So here this online simulator is available. So select here for the simulator. Once you click on this simulator, you will get a window like this. So this area is called as canvas. Here we can able to connect the circuit and we can able to verify the truth table. Now for the circuit elements, input, output, gate, decoder, multiplexer, sequential element, memory element, test bench and MASC. So these are the circuit elements out there. Now for the first I am going to show the output for the half adder circuit. As you know that for the half adder circuit, what are the gates are required? One XOR gate and one AND gate. So here click on the gate, see the symbol. So this is my XOR gate. Select the XOR gate and run. The next one is AND gate is required. Take the AND gate and drop it here. Okay. So you will get here, this is my XOR gate and this is AND gate. Now I need to give the input. So input, how many input for them of adder circuit? Yes, it is 2 input. Okay. Select the input here. See here input. So select this one and keep it here. Similarly for the next input, select it here and keep it over here. Right? Okay. Now I need to see the output. So go to the output. Select here. So these are the possibilities, outputs are there. This is RGB LED, and this one is digital LED, and here variable LED and 7-segment display. So I will select here digital LED. Now this is my output for this sum. Similarly for the carry, one more LED, I'm going to select it here. Okay. Now how to give the connection? Please listen here. Check it here. From this point to this point, just connect the wire. So just drag it here, you will get the connections. That's it. Similarly, so one more input here, right? Okay. So this will be connected to XOR gate input. Now this AND gate, one of the input is, this is A and this is B. So just click on this, it will change the state. Previously it was 1, now it is 0. If you want to change the state, just click it this one. That's it. Okay. Now for this one is connected to the A. So this one is connected to the A input, and the next AND gate input will be connected to B. This is sum and this one is carry. So the output of the XOR gate is connected to the LED. The next one is here, the AND gate output is connected to the LED. Now this LED is for sum operation and this LED is for carry operation. Now we know the truth table for the off-adder circuit. If both A and B inputs are 0, 0, the sum output is 0 and carry output is 0. Next, the input is 0, 1, right? So here A is 0 and B is, just click on this one, this will be 1. For the input is 0, 1 combination, the output of the sum is 1 and the carry is 0. Next input combination is 1, 0. For the 1, 0 input, sum is 1 and carry is 0. The last combination of the input is 1, 1. For the 1, 1 input combination, the sum is 0 and carry is 1. So truth table for the off-adder circuit is verified. The next one is off-subtractor circuit. So the same circuit, only a small change. One NOT gate is used in the before the AND gate input here, right? Okay. So go to the gate, select the NOT gate, see the symbol of the NOT gate. So just pick this NOT gate and keep it here, right? Okay. Now I need to delete this wire. That's it. I have deleted. So now this circuit is off-subtractor circuit. The logic diagram of the off-subtractor is here. One XOR gate and one NOT gate and gate is required. So now the output of the XOR gate is difference. So this is difference, and the output of the AND gate is borrow. For the truth table, 0, 0 input combination of the off-subtractor is difference is 0, borrow as well as 0. The next one is the input combination of 0, 1, 0, 1. The output of the borrow is also 1 and difference also 1. So both are 1. Next input combination is 1, 0. For the input of 1, 0, difference is 1 and borrow is 0. The last input combination is 1, 1. For the input combination of the 1, 1, the output of the difference as well as borrow is 0, 0. That's it. The truth table is verified. The next one is I'm going to show the simulation for the full adder circuit. Okay, for the full adder circuit, two half adder is required, right? So this is my first half adder circuit. Just I'm going to rearrange the circuit. So here I don't want these LEDs here, right? So this is my first half adder circuit. So similarly I'm going to draw the second half adder circuit. For that, here one more XOR gate is required, right? And one more AND gate is required. So I will place it for the AND gate. Then to add to carry output, one OR gate is required. So this is the symbol of the OR gate, right? Okay. Now for the connection, for the first XOR output is connected to the second XOR gate input like this, right? For the full adder circuit, which is a 3 input, I have connected here for the 2 input. So one more input is required. Then go to the input, select this input here and keep it here ready for the next input. For the XOR gate, second input is connected to the input of the third one. So connected this one, right? Yes. For this AND gate, one of the input is connected to this point, and for the second input is connected like this, right? Now this carry output of first will be connected to here of them, that means the OR gate. Next, this second carry output is connected to one of the input of the OR gate. Now this second XOR gate output is sum, and here the OR gate output is carry. To check the output, I am just taking this digital LED. I am going to place it here. This is for sum operation, to check sum operation, and this one is for the carry. Okay. To connect the output of the second XOR gate to the LED 1, and here the OR gate output is connected to the second LED, right? Okay. Now these are the 3 inputs. A, the first one is A, second one is B, third one is C. This is my sum output and carry output. As we know, right, for the full adder circuit, 3 input, 2 output. Okay. For the next, we are going to verify the truth table for the full adder circuit. This is A, B and C. For 0, 0, 0 input combination, sum is 0 and carry is 0. The next one is 0, 0, 1 input combination, sum is 1 and carry is 0. Next 2, 2 means the input is 0, 1, 0. For 0, 1, 0, sum is 1 and carry is 0. Next one is the input of 0, 1, 1 combination, sum is 0 and carry is 1. Next, the input is 4, 1, 0, 0 combination, the sum is 1 and carry is 0. The input is 1, 0, 1 combination, sum is 0 and carry is 1. The input is 6, So next one is 6 means the input is 1 1 0 for the 6 1 1 0. The output of the sum is 0 and carry is 1. The last one is 1 1 1 input combination. Sum is 1 and carry is also 1. So verified the full adder circuit. Truth table is verified. Right. The next full subtractor, the same circuit, only a small change will be we have to make. What is the small change we have to make? The small change is here. We need to connect here for the NOT gate. So here one NOT gate we have to connect. Similarly here one more NOT gate we have to connect it here. So like this we have to connect. For this and here also one NOT gate is connected. Here short circuited, so that remove this wire, select and delete. Select and delete. Right? So that's it. Now, so this is the logic diagram for the full subtractor circuit. Now I am going to verify the truth table for this full subtractor. Now this is my input A, B. Now this is B in. My output is here. This is difference and this is B out, borrow. For input is all 0 0 combination. The output of the difference as well as borrow is 0. The next input is 0 0 1 for 0 0 1. For 0 0 1 input, difference is 1 and borrow also 1. Next input is 0 1 0. Difference is 1, borrow also 1. The next input combination 0 1 1. Difference is 0 and borrow is 1. The next input combination 4. So binary representation is 1 0 0. For input is 1 0 0. Difference is 1 and borrow is 0. The next input combination 1 0 1. Both difference as well as borrow is 0. The next input combination is 1 1 0. Difference as well as borrow is 0. The last combination is all the inputs are 1, difference is 1 and borrow also 1. We verified the truth table for the full subtractor also. Thank you.